This is the topic data handling, and we will learn mean, median and mode. So first of all, let us learn what is data. A data is a collection of facts in the form of numerical figures to give some information. Each numerical figure or entry in a data is called observation, and the number of times the particular observation occurs in the data is called its frequency. For example, the roll number of students of a class is given here. It is in the jumbled way. So data in this form is called raw data. That means the data is not properly arranged. Now if you arrange the data in ascending or descending order, it will be like this way. Now this type of data is called arrayed data. Now representative values. A numerical values which represents approximately entire statistical data is called representative value or measure of central tendency of that data. The different representatives of measuring central tendency of statistical data are mean, median and mode. Now mean, it is also known as arithmetic mean. The most common representative value of a group of observation or data is the arithmetic mean or mean. You can see the formula. Here x1, x2, x3 xn, or we can say summation of xi by n. The upper one is the sum of all the observation and n is the number of observation. Now mean of group data. If the observation x1, x2, x3 xn have frequencies f1, f2, f3 up to fn respectively, then mean is defined as f1 x1 plus f2 x2 up to fn xn. Okay, you can see here by f1 plus f2 plus f3. Now f1, f2, f3, what are these means we will learn later in this video. Median. When the observation of data are arranged in ascending or descending order, the middle observation, remember the middle observation is called median of the data. We shall consider only simple data. Now number 1, if the number of observation is odd, then there is only one middle observation and the middle observation is the median. Now if the number of observation is even, then there are two middle observation and the average of these two middle observation is the median. That means in case of odd numbers, the middle observation whatever you are getting is the median, and in case of even number, two middle numbers we will get. We have to divide it by 2. We have to add them first, then divide it by 2. Whatever the answer comes, that will be our median. Mode. The observations which occurs maximum number of time in the given data is called its mode or model value of the data. In a group data, mode is the observation which has maximum frequency. So the first question we will go for is, a batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. So calculate the mean runs scored by him in an inning. So the run scored by him is 36, 35, 50, 46, 60 and 55. What we have to find out mean. So we know the Formula for mean will be sum of all observation sum of all observations by number of observation. That means we have to add 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55 by number of observation. That means we have to count how many observations are there. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 observations are there in total. So when you add them, it will be and 47. When you will add and divide it by 6, the answer will be 47. Next, the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are this one. So what you have to find out: highest and lowest mark obtained by the student, range of marks obtained by the student, and mean marks obtained by the students. So first of all, we will find out what is the highest and lowest marks. Highest marks. It is simple to find out. The highest mark is 95 and lowest marks is here 39. Now second one, we have to find range. Now how to find range? To find range, we have to subtract maximum marks minus minimum marks. That means 95 minus 39, it will be 56. And number third, we have to find mean. The mean will be the sum of all the observation by number of observation. So what we have to do, we have to add all, like 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 48 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75 by how many number of observations are there? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10 observation. So divided by 10. When you add all this, it will be 730 by 10. It will be 73. Next question. If the arithmetic mean of 846x 27 is 5, then you have to find the value of x. So we know the formula of mean is sum of all the observation by number of observation. That means 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus x plus 2 plus 7 by number of observation, that is 6. In the question, mean is given 5. So we will write 5 equal to the total of these numbers are 27 plus x by 6, or we can write 27 plus x is equal to 30, or x is equal to 30 minus 27, or it will be 3. I hope you are getting what is mean. The next question is, you have to find mean of this grouped data. So for that you have to construct this table. The first one is xi, second one is fi, and third one is xi-fi, multiplication of these two. What is xi? Marks obtained. What is fi? Number of students. And xi-fi is multiple of both the columns. So in the grouped data, the formula for mean is summation. This symbol is called summation of xi-fi by summation of fi. Summation means total. So I have written all the values here. You can match that. These two I have written here. These three I have written here. These four I have written here. Same way, this column is marks obtained. The second column is for number of students. Now after multiplying it 2 into 3, I have got 6 here. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 6, 24. 7 into 7, 49, and 10 into 2, 20. Now total of fi is, that means summation of fi is 20, and that of summation of xi-fi will be 105. So the mean is, here is the formula, that means 105 by 20. It will be 5.25. The next question is of finding median. The question is find the median and mode of the data. So for that you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So if you arrange it, it will be 12, 12, 13, 13, there are 3 14s. So 14, 14, 14, 16 and 19. To verify whether any number is missed or not, it's better to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and count the question also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is correct. So median, since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the total numbers are 9. It is an odd number, so what we have to choose? We have to choose the middle number, that means this one. Okay, so median will be 14. Then we have to find mode. Now mode means the maximum number that appears in the series. So here 14 is written 3 times, so it will be our mode. You can see median and mode are same. Next question. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are this one given here. So we have to find median and mode. Is there more than one mode? You have to identify. So first of all, let us arrange it. So the smallest one is 32, 35, 36, 37, 38. As you can see here, 38, 38, 38, 338 as there. So we have to write 38, 38, 40, 42. Also 1, 2, 3 43s are there. 43, 43, 43, then 45, 47 and 50. We have arranged the data in ascending order. Now we have to find median first. So for that we have to count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 numbers are there. So what will be the middle one? The middle one is 40. So median of the answer will be, median of the question will be 40. Now we have to find mode. Since we are finding the mode, we have to find out which number appears most number of time. Now in the series that we have arranged, or you can say arrayed data, we can see 38 appears 3 times and 43 also appears 3 times. So the mode will be 38 as well as 43. Okay, is there more than one mode? Answer will be yes. The runs in score in a cricket match by 11 players in as follows. It is 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. So we have to find mean, median and mode. So we have to arrange it in ascending order. It will be 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. So mean will be sum of all the observation and number of observation. So sum of observation will be 6 plus 8 plus 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, then 50, 80, 100, 120 by number of observations. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 39. Median. Middle number, that is 15. And mode. Which number appears most? 15. I hope this topic is clear to you. Practice for this topic well. Till then, thank you.